In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Metatrader 5's server. If you need to connect your Metatrader 5 platform to a different broker server, the process is quick and straightforward. You'll simply log in again and choose the correct server for your trading account. I'll walk you through the easiest method on desktop, then show you a quick way to switch from the status bar. Start by opening Metatrader 5. Once the platform is up, go to the top menu and open the login window by clicking File, then Login to Trade Account. This brings up the Account Login dialog where you control which server you connect to. In this login window, look for the server dropdown. Click it and select the server you want to use. You'll see names like XM Global Real, XM Global Demo, IC Markets SCMT5, or XNES Real. These names represent your broker's trading servers. Real is for live accounts and Demo is for practice accounts. Pick the one that exactly matches your trading account type and broker. Next, enter your account details. In the login field, type your MT5 account number. In the password field, enter your trading password. Make sure the server field shows the new server you just selected, then click OK. Metatrader 5 will disconnect from the old server and reconnect to the new one. You may see a brief authorizing message, followed by connection data in the bottom right corner once you're in. If you have the wrong password or server, you'll see a failed login message, so double-check those fields if that happens. There's also a quick switch method. Look at the bottom right corner of MT5 where you see the connection status and data rate. Click that connection status area, then choose another server from the list that appears. MT5 will connect to the selected server automatically using your saved credentials. This is handy when you just need to hop between your demo and live environments or between multiple broker servers you've used before. A crucial reminder: the server must match your broker account exactly. For example, if your account is on XM Global Real, you must select XM Global Real in the server dropdown. If you choose the wrong one, MT5 won't log in. If you're unsure which server you're on, check your broker's account dashboard or the original account welcome message from your broker. And if the correct server isn't listed, reach out to your broker so they can confirm the exact name. That's it. You've changed your Metatrader 5 server safely and correctly.